Have you ever wondered what type of equipment is used in the testing of hemp and medical cannabis? Check out this episode of Inside the Industry to gain a deeper understanding of the testing process. Can you tell us about your professional background and how you came to Eastern Analytical Labs?
Yeah, my name is Xiaofeng Bao. I'm a senior scientist, technical leader in Eastern Analytical Lab. I received my PhD degree of chemistry, organic chemistry, in University of Cincinnati in 2007. I was trained as a postdoc research fellow in Ohio State University Medical Center, and additional over 2 years a postdoc researcher in National Institute of Health, Bethesda, Maryland. After that, I worked as an associate professor at Nanjing University of Science and Technology, teaching and research in bioorganic medicinal chemistry, bioanalytical chemistry research field. I published over 50 peer-reviewed papers, and I own 18 patents in analytical chemistry research field. Currently, I'm a analytical lab manager in Eastern Analytical Lab.
What is the first step in the testing process at Eastern Analytical Labs?
First, we receive the sample from the customers. So after we receive this sample, we do the water activity first. So after we receive a sample, we measure the water activity and the water content of the sample. So use this calibrated water activity machine. I already preheated this machine for about 30 minutes. So let it stabilize. So we need to wait about 200 mg or 300 mg of the sample. It took about 5 minutes. 5 minutes to get the result. So this machine, every time when you start the testing, so you need to calibrate it. Calibrate this machine for every day. Calibrating this machine every day. So before we start the video, I already calibrated this. So it will save us time. Basically, we need to calibrate it every day. So now we finish it.
After testing for water activity in the sample, what comes next in the testing process?
So after we finish finish the water activity testing and get the result of the water activity and the water content, we do the extraction. Use the isopropyl ethanol. So I already extracted. The extraction is like you need to add isopropanol, 10 ml isopropanol, and then use the centrifuge for about 5 minutes. After that, we get this extraction of the sample. Okay. After. So I already pre-treated it. Now we start testing. We need to fill it first. So dilute it for 50 times. This sample is already after extraction. About 50 times dilution after extraction.
50.
Yeah, 50 times dilution after extraction. Then we filled it. All right, this is after extraction and then dilution for 50 times. Then filtered the solid, and this is a testing sample for cannabinoid potency. Okay, so before we do the potential test, I already preheated purged the machines and warm up the machines, purge the solution. So the method I already developed a week ago. It's a perfect method. So now we don't need to worry about the method developing. We just do quick testing. Okay. During the testing, we just monitor the pressure. The pressure is stable and the flow rate is stable. So it will take about 10 minutes to finish one testing.
How are the results from the previous tests combined into a report that's sent back to your clients?
This liquidation is for the water activity. We write down the package number, say A. Okay. Now we lab deck process the water activity, moisture content, and cannabinoid. So make sure the liquidation is there. 1, 7, 4, 6. So it's there. Then we put our result in, moisture content, sample information. So now we are waiting for the cannabis protection result. It's almost done. It's done. Okay. Now, so this is a testing file. So I process it use the lab solution first. Process it and then okay. So this is our testing result of the liquid chromatography. So based on the calibration curve, I already made it. So we get the testing result ppm. Let's see, we can make. Okay, this is a Peake is the CBDA. So we get CBDA concentration is a 10.38 ppm. So we have the CBDA, CBD, CBM, CBN is a small amount. There's no THC in it, no THC. A little bit. This concentration is negative, So negative is negligible. So TH is also negative. Export our result. So we can automatically, we can use the lab that automatically process the data, or we can manually input the concentration as a result here. So based on our testing result, we just manually input in the result in the lab deck. Now we finished the lab deck processing. Now we get the real result of this testing report. So we get the CBD percentage in this sample is about 0.89%. CBD and 90%. All the others are nothing there. Okay, so this is our cannabinoid protection test result. Then we send this custom result for seller QC, seller to manage it and approve it. And finally, Michael will approve the result and send to the customer.